What's good, YouTube? What's good with y'all? So as y'all can see, I had put some new LED bulbs in my 2010 Honda Accord for my turn signal. But unfortunately, it had blew my fuse. My old one did on the driver's side. So I think I would have to go and change this out right here. So that's what I'm gonna do. My piece came today. I had ordered this off eBay. So I'm about to change that out now. It's on my 2010 Honda Accord. So what you do, press that in right there and pull. Came right on up. And put your new one on. Just like that. Snap right on. And put your bulb in. Good to go. So that's how you change them out.